You're not lazy. You're just misunderstood by a world built for robots. If you've ever felt broken, unmotivated, or behind, this will hit home. From the time you're born, they tell you there's only one right way to live. Wake up at 6 a.m., study 10 hours, score 90%, get a job, save, retire, be grateful. But what if your brain doesn't work that way? What if you're more focused at 2 a.m. than at 9 a.m.? What if you hate instructions and love freedom? What if routines drain you, but creativity fuels you? School didn't get you, your job doesn't get you, and now you think you're the problem? You're not. You're just wired different. Laziness isn't real. It's a label society slaps on people they don't understand. You're not lazy. You're uninterested, uninspired, unaligned. Motivation isn't missing. You've just been trained to chase things that don't excite you. Want proof? You'll binge 8 episodes overnight. You'll game for 6 hours straight. You'll scroll for 4 hours without blinking. Is that laziness or just selective energy? The same brain that can't focus on exams can edit a reel for 3 hours straight, can write bars, can build an entire dropshipping store, but only when it chooses the mission. Look around. Most people winning right now didn't follow the plan. College dropouts, creators, coders, hustlers. They didn't fix themselves. They designed their life around how their brain actually works. They stopped trying to be early risers, productivity bots, note takers, and started building habits that match their own rhythm. And guess what? That's the future. The world's richest people didn't conform, they broke the pattern. Here's what you need to do. Stop calling yourself lazy. Identify when your brain feels most alive and protect that time like gold. Build your life around that, not society's 9-to-5 blueprint. You don't need to hustle like them. You need to flow like you. Because when you live aligned, money, motivation, and momentum follow. If this felt like it was speaking directly to you, it was. Comment, "I'm wired different," if you're done blaming yourself. And hit subscribe, because here we don't fix you, we free you.